Hello guys, my name is Nancy Kita and welcome back to another beautiful video from me. I'm sure by now you've already seen the other video that I had posted earlier. Yeah, this is the same property, but I had promised you that I will show you a bed sitter from this same property, okay? Because on the other video I had shown you a tour of a 1-bedroom apartment, and now let's go so that I show you the view of the bed sitter apartment that is still in the same property. You can see how beautifully they built this property. Yeah, we have the staircases, and what I love about this place, it's super clean with 24/7 water. You won't have to worry about it, guys. And as you can see, this is a bed sitter. I want to show you a bed sitter that is up on this property. Yeah, they have like 2 vacant bed sitters that are still not yet, like they're vacant. The 2 bed sitters are vacant, so one of it is up here and then another one is down on the 3rd floor. Is it on that? No, down on the 2nd floor. Yeah, so let me show you a view of this bed sitter that is in the upper floor. So that's how it is when you enter. You already know that something about a bed sitter. It's a 1 room that is included with a kitchen and then the wardrobe, and then the only thing that is separated from the room is the washroom. So that's how it is. Let me show you the washroom so that you can take a view of all that you need to see. Like, this is a very spacious washroom, although with the heater you'll have to fix your own heater there, and they told me it goes for 1,500. The cheapest water heater, it goes for 1,500. And as you can see, it is well sparkling clean. You won't have to worry about anything. It is tiled, as you can see, and then the bulbs are already fixed, although you have to come with your own bulbs. Okay, so that's how it is with the washroom. As you can see, it is sparkling clean, because I know that is what people focus in, especially when they are house hunting, because you won't have to worry about cleaning again and all that, because some people leave the houses with stains, but this one, it is sparkling clean. They have cleaned it for you, so you will not have to worry. Your only work is to come in, pay whatever you need to pay, and then you'll be able to get this house. And then this is the wardrobe for the bed sitter. It's enough for someone who lives in a bed sitter, because we all know we do not have like more things when you're living in a bed sitter. Okay, so it's more than enough for you to be able to arrange your things properly, and then they have a space for you up there on the wardrobe, just a tiny space for you to be able to keep the other things like your suitcases or the duvets, and for you to be comfortable in the house. And then you can see there's enough space for you with a view too. Something about me, I will always show you the view of the house, because that is what I love mostly. Anytime I do a house hunt, I have to see if it has the best views, and as you have seen, it has the best views, and then proper light, because they have 2 windows. Okay, and then these are the kitchen cabinets. The house have enough kitchen cabinet for you to store your things. You can see the upper cabinet and then the lower cabinet, so that shows how good this place is. Okay, because it has more than enough. You won't have to worry about anything. And then that is the countertop for your kitchen, and that is the sink where you can wash your utensils, and then the counter, you'll be able to put your utensil rack there. And then that is the view. Yeah, as you have seen, that is the view. It has the views, guys. And then proper lighting, because we all need proper lighting anytime we're inside our houses. And then they have sockets, 2 sockets for you to be able to connect anything that you need to connect for yourself. And then on the other side too, at the kitchen side too, they have 1 socket. Okay, so that is how the whole room looks like. You can see it looks so good. Yeah, that's how it is, and they have already fixed for you the curtain rods, so you do not have to worry about fixing the curtain rods or buying a new curtain rod. As you can see, they have enough curtain rods for you. Your only work is to come with your curtains and then fix them. Yeah, and then that is the space. That is how the space looks. For the cabinets, you can add your shelves if you want to. There's a fundi there who is available to make everything for you. Anything you need to fix, he'll be there to fix it for you. And as you can see, I'm with a caretaker, so he'll be able to help you with some other things that you'll be needing inside this house. You can see the shelves are big enough, as long as you know the cabinets are big enough. So this is another bedsitter, although I didn't take a tour on it because I was late. Yeah, and as usual, that is the whole look of the apartment together with the parking. I don't know if you've already checked on another video, because there's a video I posted for the 1-bedroom in this same apartment. So if you haven't checked that video, please do so, because you'll be able to see a lot of things maybe that I haven't shown on this video. Okay, so that is the parking space, and as you can see, it is big enough for you to be able to park your cars, your friends, and all that. So this is how you have to tarmac when you're house hunting. Yeah, this is how you have to tarmac every day you are house hunting, because you don't really know where you're going, but you just have to go, because you cannot get a house when you stay inside. Yeah, so if you really want to find something that suits you, you have to go out. That is how it is in Kenya. I don't know about your side, where you live in. Let me know where you live in your country. What do you do when you're house hunting? Because this is how it is in Kenya. You can choose someone to find you a house, or you can choose to tarmac and find yourself a house. Yeah, you can choose to let someone, because people like us will be able to tarmac for you, to help you look for a house, and you just pay just a little fee. Yeah, it's not too much, just a little fee, and then you'll be able to just meet us, and then we take you straight, instead of tarmacking the way I'm tarmacking right now. Yeah, you can just pay something little, and then we'll be able to find you a house that you need. You can see how it is. I really want to see this. So guys, you can see how hard it is when you're tarmacking to look for a house. This is how much you have to walk around. At times you go to a place and they tell you, no, you need to pay something for you to be able to view the house. Yeah, at times they request for you to pay something for you to be able to view the houses. Yeah, and if you're lucky enough, they just tell you to go inside. When you find someone that is good enough, yeah, who is not really like in need of money, they'll just tell you to go in. And so this is what you find when you're tarmacking to look for a house. This is what you have to be prepared with, exactly in the areas that are not so good. This is how you have to tarmac. Yeah, just wanted Amber. Oh, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek of what normally the house hunting involves here in Kenya. Let me know down on the comment section how you normally do house hunting in whichever country you are in, and feel free to comment. So next time you meet a person on social media doing their work and they tell you that before I show you a house, you need to pay something small. Please, please do pay them because it involves a lot. Yeah, it involves a lot. They also spend money in order for them to find these houses. Yeah, I personally was I got a person who was able to help me find a house that I live in, and I know the struggle of finding a house. So if someone tells you, okay, I'm ready to show you a house, but please respect my job because this is what I do for the living. Please respect their jobs because this is like an office to them, and you can see it involves a lot emotionally, mentally, physically. It involves a lot because you can see right now I had to pay for a person to take me back home. I also transportation is needed for this work. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you guys, respect these people who help you, who are ready to help you to find a house, because it's not easier for you to find a house on your own. I have seen how hard it is, tarmacking all around, and at times you don't even have enough time to do all this because you're working or maybe you are needed somewhere. You do not have the whole day to look for these houses. So please be kind enough to pay these people because it involves a lot, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to go to some other areas so that I'll be able to show you around these places. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be among the first people to get notified. And I hope you enjoyed, and again, let me know where to focus on. Maybe you need a house and you need a house in a specific place or in a particular place, location. Let me know. And also if you have Airbnbs, let me know so that I can advertise it for you, because specifically this is a page where it involves not just traveling and lifestyle, it also involves the real estate business and all that. So if you have a house, a vacant house that you need to be advertised, maybe rentals, Airbnbs, hotels too, if you have a hotel, reach me out on the description below. I have included my contacts and everything you need to know about me. So see you on another video, and I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to like this video. Okay, bye bye.